Hi everyone, this is the Big Bad Wolf and live from the LVSC here in Sahara. Just wanna give you some updates, what's going on. You know, we are ready to hit the shoulders, doing some workout, and as always, I'm motivated, and so we are 2 weeks out, less than 2 weeks out to the Arnold. So I'm really excited for my comeback and finally step up on the Arnold stage again. That's gonna be, not just fun, also a little bit, I'll say I'm gonna be nervous. 2 weeks out, and can't wait to be back on stage, back to my normal bodybuilding profession, I'll say that. Doing more guest appearances again, and just looking forward for 2018. All right guys, thank you, and see you very soon.
Yo. Bei Facebook wissen wir. Was meinst du?
All right.